Hello guys, Harshit here. So are you in need of a Bluetooth 2.1 speaker system under a budget of 5,000 rupees? Well, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to unbox the F&D F550X Bluetooth speaker system which I purchased from Amazon at a price of 4,000 rupees. So it has got all the fancy features you would like in Bluetooth 2.1 speakers like NFC, USB, aux and SD card support. We will talk about this in the next part of the video. So first thing first, let's unbox this. So this is the box which shows all the functions and features of this speaker system. So on unboxing, we get nice packaging here, and on the top we get two satellite speakers as mentioned on the box, one user manual. We will read it later. These are the satellite speakers which are to be connected with the main subwoofer. Two batteries and obviously one remote. So guys, this was the top layer of the box. On the bottom I am expecting a subwoofer, which is obvious. So this is the subwoofer. It's actually hard to take it out. So guys, this is the subwoofer and nothing except that. So let's take out the plastic covering of each of the product. Let's start with the subwoofer. Then nicely packed in plastic coating with a ton of wires here. This is the satellite speaker number 1. Wow. Actually, the main feature of this could be it can be placed like this, or either this, or either this. Same with the another one. With a lot of wire stuff here. So guys, this is a total package contents, and now let's meet in the sound test. So the unboxing was very cool and the setup was super simple. So before starting the sound test, I'm assuming that you have already liked the video and subscribed to my channel, and if that is not the case, just go and like the video and click on the red button to subscribe to my channel. Secondly, I have linked this product in the video description, so if you like it, you can surely check it out. Thirdly, I don't have a quality microphone, so I recommend you to wear a pair of headphones or earphones for better quality. So now let's move on to the sound test. So now we are good to go for the sound test. Let's get started. One word, amazing. I mean, how can such a budget-friendly speaker like this can have such a beautiful sound quality and awesome bass? Like, I would rate the sound quality of the speaker 4.5 out of 5. And actually there is some hizzy sound when you connect the speaker with a device via Bluetooth, and that is the cause of reduction of 0.5 star on my rating. But that's not a big issue. So guys, let me know what are your opinions about the speaker system in the comments below. So guys, that was the today's video. Meet you in the next video.